Oh, hey, it's Jim from the Woodworking Corner. Today we are reviewing the DeWalt 12-gallon Stealthsonic Shop Vac. Let's see how much quieter it is from the standard one. Stay tuned. Today I received the DeWalt 12-gallon Stealthsonic Shop Vac. It boasts the same powerful motor, but yet a quieter motor, up to 50% quieter. But is it really quieter than the standard 12-gallon Shop Vac? That's what I want to find out. Hearing loss contributes to over 11% of workplace injuries, and 10% of our military personnel have suffered permanent hearing loss despite them wearing hearing protection. And with me personally working on the flight deck of an aircraft carrier for 2 years, I can say that the sound has wreaked havoc on my hearing. So when the people over at Alton Industries asked if I was interested in doing a review on the Shop Vac, I was very excited and interested to see if it is indeed much quieter. With that being said, I want to say that the people over at Alton Industries did send me the Shop Vac for me to do a product video. I'd like to thank them for that, and let's see if it really is quieter. You gotta love something that only has 8 screws to it to put together. Makes life so much easier. So important, not only for the life of the filter, making the filter last longer, but it collects more dust when you use these things. Not enough people use these, and I don't understand why. The interesting part is I already own a DeWalt 12-gallon Shop Vac, but I got the standard one a few years back, and I have it connected here with my DeWalt dust separator. I did a separate review video on this one. That one was not a sponsored video, so if you want to see that one, I'll leave a link down in the description below. But here's the current one. We'll pull him out, we'll set him up next to the Stealthsonic one, and we'll compare the noise. The moment we've all been waiting for. Here comes the sound test. I have the microphone on my hat. I'm going to use that. I don't have a decibel meter to do this with, so I'm just going to use the microphone on my hat. I'm going to put it equally distant to both of them. We're going to start with the original standard 12-gallon, and then we'll move over to the Stealth. And we'll see what the sound difference looks like. Okay, here we go. I would say that is absolutely half the noise. It almost sounds like it's in another room when this thing is running. You can almost, they say you should be able to talk comfortably. It's like the same sound level as someone talking comfortably. It's pretty close to that. It does sound like somebody's using it in another room. Where this one, yeah, this one, you probably can't, you probably can't even hear me with this one. That is definitely a huge difference. I'm highly impressed with that. The only thing I noticed the difference between the two, in the back, it looks like they're using this to filter out the noise, where the old one doesn't have any of that. So that's the only, I guess, downside too, would be the fact that you don't have an exhaust port on this side. This one has no exhaust port. This one does. That's probably where the sound filtering is coming from, is using this. But you can feel air coming out of it. There's definitely air coming out. But again, the noise is nothing compared to this one. Yeah. That is a huge difference. I could leave that on and it wouldn't even bother me. That's Like I said, it's almost like someone is using it in another room. So I'm impressed. It says it's a 5.5 horsepower motor over there. I was looking at the specs on this one to find out. I'm assuming this one's 5.5 horsepower too. Now I want to just get a kind of like a suction feel. Both of them seem like they have the same sucking power. I would say anyone who has a small workshop, garage, that uses a shop vac often, this is definitely something you'd want to have in your shop. Car detailers too, if you're cleaning out the inside of a car and you have to have this thing near you all the time, definitely something I would recommend. It's nice looking. I like the hose. Well built. It's a DeWalt, so you know it's well built. Comes with all the same accessories that the traditional shop vac came with. It's definitely something I would recommend. Even though after performing a couple of different sound tests with this, I wish it would have came out more on the video that the quietness of this compared to the traditional shop vac. My microphone, I guess, it's what caused the difference. I apologize for that, but absolutely a lot quieter. In person, this one is definitely a quieter machine than the old one.